Hi there, it's Angie from Bobo Design Studio, and I'm here to make a super quick video for you showing you the difference between our Wanderlust Passport and our Wanderlust Passport Sticker Book. Because I always get the question, do I need both? Are they the same? Are they different? So hopefully this video will answer all those questions, but you'll get to see how I put this sticker book into use and kind of what the differences are between the two. So come along, let's go take a look. This is our Wanderlust Passport. But this is our Wanderlust Passport Sticker Book. And if you love our Wanderlust Passport, you really like our system that we've developed for helping you track your adventures and all of your travel, but maybe you don't want the journal, this sticker book is going to be for you. Each sticker book comes with 150 stickers inside, but the real kicker is that we have taken our documenting system and put them into sticker form. Every book comes with 24 entry stickers, and as you flip through, you'll see it also comes with the sticker sheets that we include in the Wanderlust Passport, plus additional sticker designs that you can use to decorate all of your pages. Like I mentioned, you might not want the Wanderlust Passport because you have a sketchbook that you always use, or you have your own journal that you're filling out, and you just kind of want to use our system. So I'm going to show you in this sketchbook how we use our sticker book to document our adventures or what we're doing and put them right directly into the sketchbook. All of our sticker books are printed on a writable paper, so whether you're using pen or pencil, it doesn't really matter. You'll be able to write on these little entry page stickers just the same. So here's one that we'll fill out together. You'll have a section for the date, so that's pretty obvious. You want to put the date. We've also got the days of the week that you can mark off. And up in the corner, you can rate whatever it is that you are doing or the place that you're going to, so that's kind of cool. And then I have a section for location, which can be city, state, or maybe it's the actual name of the destination that you're at. So for example, we're putting Palm Springs, California, which is where we're based out of. And I'm going to write down Sunnylands Gardens or Sunnylands Park, which is technically in Palm Desert, but it's a beautiful botanical garden, which I've gone to go and do some botanical sketches from. Here you can write your latitude and longitude because maybe you're somewhere where there isn't an address and you want to maybe go back and revisit this place. I have a section for the elevation. Sometimes it's kind of cool to know exactly where you are. And you can find this information by going to the Compass app on your phone. I talk about this in some of my other videos. Of course, we've got weather conditions, and it's not just temperature, but is it windy out? Is it sunny? And there you have it. That's how it looks. So if you want to better document where you're sketching or have a journal, but you want to be able to better mark where you've been using our system, grab a Wanderlust Passport Sticker Book today. You can find it linked in the description in the video below.